Hi there, friend. Thanks so much for checking back in with the garden shop. Hey, since we talked last, we've come up with a couple good ideas to help you get through this garden season in one piece. And here's what we're gonna do. We have been working feverishly to take Yard Food, that sweet little garden shop on the side of the road in Twisp, online. Right now, you'll be able to go there and purchase and find all of the things that you would normally be coming into our shop to get. So the link for that shop is just down below this video. We'll keep it super simple there. Click it when we're all done and just go and take a tour. We appreciate your patience and your kindness because there's still a few little glitches and lots more to be uploaded onto the site, but it's important for you to understand a couple things. One, all of our veggie starts and our products are, all of our veggie starts are being grown for us, as always, in a greenhouse in Okanagan. Now, there has been no disruption there. So we still anticipate, as always, regular deliveries of that beautiful organic material for your gardens. So be patient with us. They're not here yet. It's still kind of chilly outside. They wouldn't be here on a normal year. So those will be coming. And then when they do arrive at the shop, we'll be uploading them for you to purchase online and schedule a pickup at our store. So we're keeping your safety in mind, we're keeping the safety of our staff in mind, and most importantly, we're keeping this goal we all are sharing currently of growing our food in our backyard alive. So we're hustling to make it all happen, and we appreciate your kindness and your patience as we get this big task done. But we're making headway. I'm excited for that. And number two, for you, I'm really excited to offer you this. I'm going to be growing my garden just like always. I've grown food in my backyard, I'm embarrassed to say, for over 25 years. But in that time, I've gathered a lot of skill sets and a lot of insights that I want to share with you totally for free. So that's a cool idea. I'm going to be planting my garden every week. I'm going to be sending to your inbox a tutorial, simple, basic, fun, with a actionable list of things that you need to accomplish that week along with me in order to make the garden season unfold and you to reap a bountiful harvest at the end of the season. So I'm going to work out some kinks along the way, but my goal is to keep it super short, super simple, and super actionable so that you can accomplish this simple little task called growing your groceries. Okay. Maybe it's not so simple, but it's doable. That I will guarantee. All right, like I said, totally free for you for being a sweet pea and sticking with us and helping us get through this time. There is one little ask that I'm going to ask, and that is, please, if you feel that this is valuable information, do me a favor and share this. Share it with somebody you love. Share it with your family or your friends or even a stranger on social media. But let's give everybody an opportunity to learn to grow their food together. Let's invite them to our garden party because, as you now know, having spent the last week on planet Earth with me, things are not what things were once a while ago. Whew, isn't that the truth? So that's it. I'm going to be popping into your inbox a little bit later this week for our first tutorial. But for now, you've got two things to do. Well, actually three. First, check out the link I'm going to leave below. It'll take you to our site where you'll be able to find the products and services you need to make this garden season happen. Two, share this video, please, with somebody that you care about so that they too can learn to grow their garden. And number three, there was a third one, but I've forgotten what it is. Oh well, that's the way it goes around here right now. As always, my friend, we adore you. We're grateful to you, and we are committed to helping you grow the garden that's going to get you from here to there. All right, till next time, it's me, Tess from Yard Food, caring about ya a lot. Oh yeah, number three. In this email, I'm going to list the seeds that I myself am going to plant in my garden this week. And I want you, actionable step number one, to gather those seeds too. So you can find these online. You can find them at my site, that same link I'm going to share with you. Or maybe you can look inside of your drawer in your kitchen or under your bed or somewhere that you know you've got some seeds somewhere. You just got to find them. Whatever it takes, my friend, gather your seeds, because coming up in the next video later this week, we're going to plant them.